Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a lovely and fun beachside. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. First, let's draw an umbrella. We want it a bit tilted to the side. Just like this. Next, let's draw the sand and the rest of the beach. Just follow my steps, and remember, you can always rewind the video and go back as many times as you need. Let's draw a ball popping out of the sand underneath the umbrella. And why not add a nice sand castle? Move to the right and draw a bucket next to the umbrella. Then move left and draw a tall palm tree popping out the side of the paper. Just like this. Add a few lines on the trunk and you're done. Let's draw a wobbly line along the shore and a line in the horizon for the sea. Now let's draw the sun and a little cloud away in the distance. Great job! Now grab your favorite colors and color in! I'm using these colors, but you guys can choose any color you prefer. And that's it! We have now drawn our lovely beach. Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art! In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Maya. I am so impressed. This drawing is lovely. The snake is perfectly done and the branches are so well done too. And the beautiful colors you chose for the skin of the snake are just brilliant. Well done, Maya. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!